The Supreme Court has disposed of as infructuous the petition filed by BJP MLA Madan Dilawar, who had challenged the merging of the Bahujan Samaj Party MLAs with the Congress in the Rajasthan. The bench of Justices Arun Mishra, B.R. Gawai and Krishna Murari disposed of the matter today. The bench was informed that a single judge bench of the Rajasthan High Court has delivered its judgment in the case. The High Court has asked the Speaker to decide on the disqualification petitions within a period of 3 months. It is the case of the petitioners before the Supreme Court that the merger of the 6 BSP MLAs with the Congress is bad in law and unconstitutional, as it goes against the principles laid down in various cases. The Supreme Court dismissed the case pertaining to the plea challenging Rajasthan High Court's refusal to stay Rajasthan Speaker Dr. C.P. Joshi's decision approving the merger of the 6 Bahujan Samaj Party MLAs with the Indian National Congress as infructuous on the ground that the Rajasthan High Court has given a decision. Senior advocate Kapil Sibal, appearing on behalf of Rajasthan Speaker Dr. C.P. Joshi, appraised the bench comprising of Justices Arun Mishra, B.R. Gawai and Krishna Murari that Rajasthan High Court has rendered its decision in the matter. As per the order of the Rajasthan High Court, time has been granted to the Speaker of Rajasthan Assembly to decide on the merits of the disqualification petition filed against the BSP MLAs within the stipulated time. Senior advocates S.C. Mishra and Satyapal Jain, appearing for BSP and BJP MLA Madan Dilawar respectively, sought more time to peruse the judgment of the High Court. However, the bench dismissed the plea as infructuous. On August 13, the court had stated that any transactions on the floor of the House during the Assembly session scheduled for the next day will be subject to the order of the court, thereby refusing to stay the Speaker's decision of approving merger of the BSP MLAs of Rajasthan Assembly with the Congress. The SLP filed by advocate on record Sunil Fernandez on behalf of the BJP MLAs Madan Dilawar challenged the Rajasthan High Court's refusal to stay Rajasthan Speaker Dr. C.P. Joshi's decision approving the merger of the 6 Bahujan Samaj Party MLAs with Indian National Congress. In September 2019, the Rajasthan Assembly Speaker Dr. C.P. Joshi has allowed merger of 6 BSP MLAs with Congress. The 6 MLAs have been elected to the Rajasthan Legislative Assembly in December 2018 on the ticket issued by BSP. An application was submitted by them to the Speaker in September 2019, who allowed for the merger. Challenging the Speaker's decision, Dilawar had moved the Rajasthan High Court in March 2020 under the 10th schedule of the Constitution of India, seeking for a stay of the same in order to restrict the 6 MLAs from attending proceedings in the House whilst the matter was pending in the court. This plea was later withdrawn. After that, the Speaker passed an order on 28 July dismissing Dilawar's petition to disqualify the BSP MLAs. This was further challenged by Dilawar before the division bench of the Rajasthan High Court. Both the single bench and division bench of the Rajasthan High Court refused to order interim stay of the Speaker's decision. In the meanwhile, a transfer petition was filed by 6 MLAs seeking a transfer to the Supreme Court. The petition filed in Rajasthan High Court challenging the Speaker's order approving the merger with the Congress. During a previous hearing, advocate Amit Pai had withdrawn the transfer petition. Bureau Report.